you're serving. Today we have an 18-in-1 sportswear for the Nintendo Switch. Let's open it up and see what we got. So it appears that I have a controller grip for a red controller grip, a blue racing steering wheel, another racing wheel that's red, a blue controller grip, armbands, I believe, for the Switch, leg and arm, blue, a golfing stick, I would believe. Yeah, it's a golfing stick. Blue, a piece of a sword, another golfing stick, two more arm and leg bands, tennis racket, and another tennis racket, two table tennis paddles, red and blue, the bottom half of the sword, which goes like this. Yep, there are, I believe, javelin swords, I think, and a fishing rod. That is all we have. First off, I'm going to show you how to use these items when putting in the Joy-Cons. For the tennis racket, you're going to put it in here, right or left, either one, and then you got to make sure that the trigger is revealed so you can get a grip on here. Second one I'm going to show you is the sword that looks like from Legend of Zelda. Do the same thing, just be careful as well. Make sure the trigger's on and you got your sword ready. Oh, that was out. Diamond. Keep going down. There you go. There you go. Now vertically.